viewers, I'm Sabikun Rushmila and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make candy edition paper stickers. It's really easy to make and it's really fun. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. So guys, I'm making candy edition stickers, so that's why I'm drawing some candies. But if you don't like candies, you can draw anything. Then I will color these all drawings with my color pencils. After coloring my drawings, it looks so pretty and I will covering this drawing with tape. Then I will cut this drawing with scissors. This is my final look and it looks so pretty and it's really easy to make. Yes, finally my stickers are done. This is a candy edition stickers and you can use it with glue or anything if you want. So it's really cute. And I love that চুলে কালার পেন্সিল কালার করতে পারো অথবা আইক্রিলিক কালার্স দিয়ে অথবা অয়েল পেস্টেল দিয়ে তোমাদের যেটা ইজি ভিডিও and if you like it, give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.